Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving deep into the blueprint for solopreneurs. This isn't just about the hustle. This is a step-by-step guide to turning your one-person show into a real source of lasting wealth, and most importantly, freedom. So let's get on the same page. What exactly is a solopreneur? Well, the definition is simple. You're the founder and the only employee. But what does that really mean? It means you are the engine, the heart, and the brain of your business. You're not just the creator, you're the salesperson, the marketer, the accountant. You're the whole shebang. And this is such a key distinction. We often mix up solopreneur and entrepreneur, but they're fundamentally different beasts. A traditional entrepreneur focuses on building a team to do the work. A solopreneur, your focus is on being the business and getting the work done yourself, often by building a super smart network of contractors and tools, not a big payroll. So, here's how we're going to break it all down. We're going to walk through this journey step by step, starting with that initial leap, all the way to building a financial future that's truly secure. Okay, let's cast off. The very first step, the first mindset shift, is fully embracing that you're both the captain steering the ship and the crew making it go. It's a unique challenge for sure, but it's also a huge opportunity. And, any good captain knows you can't sail far on a leaky ship. For us, that ship is our financial foundation. It has to be rock solid, ready to handle anything the market throws at you. These right here are your first 3 moves. They are absolutely non-negotiable. Think of it like this. Separating your finances gives you clarity, that emergency fund gives you security, and a budget, well, that gives you control. Get these right, and everything else becomes so much easier. And this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It's such a powerful reminder that being great at what you do isn't enough. Your long-term success really hinges on how well you manage your money. So why all the fuss about separate bank accounts? Look, it's so much more than just neat bookkeeping. It's a strategic move. It gives you a crystal clear picture of whether your business is actually profitable. It makes tax season, about 1,000,000 times less painful. And maybe most importantly, it builds a legal wall between your business and your personal life, protecting your home and your savings if things go south. This is your freedom fund. Seriously, having 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away isn't just a safety net. It's what gives you power. It's the power to say no to a bad client. It's the confidence to get through a slow month without a single drop of panic. It's everything. Okay, with that solid foundation in place, let's talk about the day-to-day. How do you manage your money month in and month out? This is all about creating a system that brings some predictability to the often unpredictable world of a solopreneur's income. A really great place to start is to adapt the classic 50-30-20 rule for yourself. It's simple. For every dollar that comes in, 50 cents goes to the business. That's operations and taxes. 30 cents goes to you as your salary. And the last 20 cents, that's for savings and reinvesting in your growth. It's discipline baked right in. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you have to look into the profit first method. This completely flips the script. Instead of revenue minus expenses equals profit, it becomes revenue minus profit equals expenses. You literally pay your profit account first. It forces you to be profitable from day one. It's a game changer. And here's a critical piece of advice, no matter what system you use. Pay yourself a consistent salary, a predictable amount every single month. This creates that essential boundary between business and personal finances, and it gives your personal life the stability you need, even when business revenue is a roller coaster. All right, once your money is systematized, we can get to the fun part. Growth. But for a solopreneur, scaling doesn't mean hiring a bunch of people. It's all about finding clever ways to grow your revenue without just working more hours. And that really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? How do you scale without hiring? The answer isn't about grinding harder, it's about working smarter and making every hour you do work more valuable. First up, the most direct path to earning more. As you get better, as your experience grows, and as your portfolio gets stronger, your value increases. Your prices should reflect that. Don't be afraid to charge what you are worth today. It's literally the fastest way to grow your income. Next, you have to start thinking about how to stop trading your time directly for money. Can you productize your expertise? Maybe that means creating an online course, a set of templates, or a digital guide. This creates income streams that aren't tied to the hours in your day. And finally, get obsessed with your processes. Document everything you do.
Why? Because once a process is documented, you can either automate it with software or delegate it to a freelancer. This frees you up to be the strategist, the captain, while someone else handles some of the rowing.
Okay, this is the final, crucial chapter of our journey. This isn't just about this month's profit. This is about turning your business into a machine that funds a secure and comfortable life for the long haul. Since you don't have a corporate 401k, you have to create your own retirement plan. And the good news is you have some amazing options. A solo 401k is incredible because it lets you contribute as both the employee and the employer, so you can save a ton of money. A SEP IRA is a bit simpler to set up and is a fantastic, no-fuss way to get started. But retirement accounts are only half the picture. You also have to protect your single most valuable asset, your ability to earn an income. That's why insurance, health, disability, liability, these aren't just expenses. They are the essential safety nets that protect your entire financial structure.
And really, that's what this all boils down to. It's not just about building a business. It's about consciously designing a life. These strategies we walk through today, they are the blueprint for turning your solo hustle into a genuine source of lifelong security. So, the real question is, are you ready to start building?